Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Infinity. So in our previous lecture, we have studied the theory part of the matrices. In this lecture, we will do the problems related to it, and also at last, we will study how to calculate rank of a matrix. Okay, let's start today. And today's topic is problems regarding matrices. Okay, problem solving is also very important besides theory, because while we are solving the problems, we get to know many more techniques and short tricks how to deal with bigger problems. Like there are many questions, by seeing the answers, we can get to know that what will be the answer of that question. Okay, so our first question is, let us consider a 3 cross 3 matrix M having eigenvalues 2, 1 and 0. What will be the eigenvalue of matrix MQ? Okay, our answers are, options are 2, 1, 0. Second option is all 0. Third option is 4, 1, 0. And fourth option is 8, 1, 0. Now you see how to deal with this, how to solve. See, a 3 cross 3 matrix M eigenvalue is given 2, 1, 0. We know for m to the power n, the eigenvalues, suppose if it is lambda 1, lambda 2 and lambda 3, for m to the power n, it will be lambda 1 to the power n, lambda 2 to the power n and lambda 3 2 to the power n. Okay, so here they have asked m cube. So it will be what? 2 cube, 1 cube and 0 cube. So our answer will be 8, 1 and 0. So the option matching is option D. So this is our right answer. Okay. So it was so easy. I hope you understood. The next question. Question 2. Question 2. It is said a matrix A is defined as 1, 0, 0, 9, 2, 0, minus 4, 5 and 3. And they want to know the eigenvalues. What are the options? Options are 1, 2, 3, minus 2, 1, 0, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 3, 5. How to do? We already know this kind of a matrix A. This is what kind? This is any special type of matrix? We know this matrix. In the previous lecture, I already told that here the upper part of the matrix is not present, right? The upper part of the matrix is not present. So it is a lower triangular matrix. So it is a lower triangular matrix. So for lower triangular matrix, for upper triangular matrix, we know the eigenvalues of the matrix are what? Diagonal element itself. So the answer is very clear. The diagonal elements. So what is our answer then? Our answer is 1, 2, 3. That is which option? Option A. So easy. Okay, proceeding to our next question. Question 3. The matrix A is given as 1, 9, minus 4, 0, 0, 2, 5, 0, 3. We need to find the eigenvalues. Okay, what are the options? The options are 1, 2, 3, minus 2, 1, 0. This is quite similar to the previous one, right? Yeah. The only change is what? Previous one was lower triangular matrix. This one is what? Upper triangular matrix. Okay. This one is upper triangular matrix. So this one also simple. The eigenvalues will be what? Only the diagonal elements. So what are the diagonal elements? 1, 2 and 3. Diagonal elements are what? This one. So which option is right? This one. Why this is upper triangular matrix? The upper part is present and lower part is absent. That is 0, not absent. The values are 0. Okay. So next question we will do is what? Next question is what? They have said consider a 3 cross 3 Hermitian matrix M. The possible eigenvalues will be, options are minus I, 1, 0, 0, 0, I, 2I, I, 3I, and D is what? 1, 0, 0. See how to do. First we know 3 cross 3 matrix. Okay, so obviously the eigenvalues will be 3. Number of eigenvalues will be 3. Next, Hermitian matrix. We know eigenvalues of Hermitian matrix are what? Always real. Third, if in one eigenvalue is I, its conjugate minus I will be present. If 2i is an eigenvalue of any matrix M, then minus 2i will also be present. So in this answer you see I is there but minus I is not there. It is wrong. Then this you see 2i is there, then minus 2i must be present. So this one will be wrong. Minus I is here, the plus I must be present. So this one is also wrong. And also this 3 we are getting I. But the real Hermitian matrix eigenvalues must be real. So the option left is this one. So this is our right answer. In some question, you should go with the options. Okay? And that's easy. Next we will do okay, next we will know how to find rank of a matrix. Okay. How to calculate rank of a matrix. We will do some more problems on matrices. In the next video, I will do PYQs or PYQs of GATE related to more than one or two topics of mathematical physics. Okay, like differential equation, matrices. We will go with this too. Okay. So how to find rank? Suppose I am considering diagonal matrix. Okay. In the first case, we need to find rank of a diagonal matrix. A diagonal matrix means what? Only the diagonal elements are present. Rest element are what? 0. Okay. So rank of diagonal matrix is the number of non-zero elements present in the diagonal. Okay. This is rank. For example, A is equals to 1 0 0 0 2 0 0 0 0. So what are the diagonal elements here? These are the diagonal elements. So from here we can see the diagonal elements are 1 2 comma 0. These are the diagonal elements. So from here we can see 1 and 2 are non-zero, but this is 0, so we will not take this. So here number of non-zero elements are 2. So our rank will be 2. Okay, just you don't need to calculate anything. Just by seeing the matrix we can say the rank is 2. Okay. Okay. Next again we are taking an example. Suppose A is equals to 1 0 0 2 0 5 0 0 0 6. Here the diagonal elements are 1 5 and 6, and number of non-zero diagonal elements are 3. So rank is what? 3. So in this way we can find the rank for diagonal matrix. Okay. Wait a second. Yes. Okay. So this is for diagonal matrix. Next we will see about lower triangular and upper triangular matrix. What do you think? It's going to be the same process or different? No, little different, because in diagonal matrix we know only diagonal elements are present, but in lower triangular and upper triangular matrix other elements are also there, no? In lower triangular matrix we know what? Lower elements are present, but upper elements we get 0. So 1, upper we will get 0, diagonal elements will be present, and this of diagonal elements, but the lower part will be present. An upper triangular matrix example in this way. Now here how to calculate. The process for calculating rank for upper triangular and lower triangular matrix is the number of non-zero rows is the rank. Okay, non-zero rows means all the elements in the row, all the elements in the row must be non-zero. Okay, it will be more clear when we will do this. We will solve this. You see here, which one is row? This one is row, right? This is called row. This is one row, this is second row, and this is third row. Now here you see how many number of non-zero rows we are getting. This is non-zero. Why? Because 1 is not 0. This is all elements are 0. So this is what? This is a row which consists of all 0. And this is a non-zero row. So here number of non-zero rows is 1 and 2. So here rank will be 2. All the elements should be 0. See in this second row, all the elements are 0. See, all the elements are 0. Okay. Now this one you see. Here the rows are 1 this, second this, and third this. Here we see there are 2 zeros present, but all the elements are not 0, right? Here 2 zeros are present, but this is non-zero. So here 3 rows, but 3 rows are non-zeros. So here the rank is what? 3. So here the rank is what? 3. Okay. So next we will see for calculating rank for a normal matrix. Suppose any matrix A, okay, which is of the order m cross n. If M is equals to N, then we will say that matrix is what? Square matrix. Okay, so first we will deal with square matrix, then we will deal with rectangular matrix when M is not equal to N. For square matrix, when the determinant of a matrix, suppose A is a square matrix, when the determinant A is not equals to 0, then the rank is equals to order of the matrix. Then rank is equals to order of the matrix. Okay, and when determinant A is equals to 0, then rank is always less than the order of a matrix, is always less than the order of the matrix. Okay, now for a rectangular matrix, for a rectangular matrix, rectangular matrix, that is M not equals to N. Suppose M is greater than N, then in that case rank of any matrix A is less than or equals to N, and if N is greater than M, then rank of the matrix A is less than or equals to M. Okay, so this is for rectangular matrix, this is for rectangular matrix, and this one was for square matrix. Okay, so this is all for today. In the next lecture, the next video, we will deal with problems regarding rank, matrices and differential equations. Okay, still then study hard and make your parents proud. And if you have any problem regarding today's lecture, please comment and let me know. Join my Telegram channel for MCQ practice and for getting the PDF of this lecture. I hope you will like this video. Please like, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.